Today, we are diving into the fun world of bowling. Are you ready to learn about this awesome target sport that everybody can enjoy? Let's roll! Welcome to Steleo. Bowling is an indoor sport where you roll a heavy ball down a long lane to knock over a set of pins. There are different types of bowling, like duck pins and candle pins, but the most popular is 10-pin bowling, where you aim to knock down 10 pins. If you knock them all down on your first roll, it's called a strike. And if you knock them all down on your second roll, it's a spare.
Very good, very good, very good!
Before we start bowling, we need to wear special bowling shoes. These have a smooth, clean sole to help us slide easily on the lane. If we wore our regular shoes, we might stick and fall, which wouldn't be fun at all. Safety first, right? Check out the bowling lane. It's long, narrow, and has gutters on the sides. When little kids are playing, we can ask for bumpers to be raised to keep the ball from going into the gutter. That way we can have more fun knocking down those pins.
A strike is when you get all the pins down in your first bowl.
What is a spear?
When you get all the pins down in 2 bowls.
Now let's talk about the bowling balls. They come in all sorts of colors and sizes. It's super important to find one that's the right weight for you. Some balls can be really heavy, so if you're having trouble, you can use a special ball ramp to help it roll down the lane. Look at our scoreboard. It tracks our scores so we know who's winning. Every pin you knock down is 1 point. And remember, if you get a strike or spare, you earn extra points. Did you know that bowling has been played since ancient times? It's not just fun, it helps kids build confidence, math skills, and social skills too. So every time you bowl, you're not just playing, you're learning. Thank you for joining us today to learn about bowling. We hope you're excited to try it out.
In today's episode, we are going to learn about bowling.
So stick around to find out what exactly this awesome game is about.
Bowling is an indoor sport that can be played by people of all ages, and millions around the world enjoy playing it. There are many different types of bowling, such as duck pins, candle pins, 5 pins, skittles, and 9 pins. The most played version is called 10-pin bowling. Bowling is a game in which a person rolls a heavy ball down a lane to try and knock over a group of objects called pins. Bowling is played indoors on a wooden lane. This is why when you go bowling, you need to wear special shoes so that you don't get hurt. Your normal shoes will stick to the lane and make you stop suddenly. Bowling shoes also protect the smooth surface of the lanes. The bowling lanes are long and narrow with the gutters on either side of the lane. When small children are playing, you can ask for the rails surrounding the lane to be raised so that the ball doesn't go into the gutter. The pins are made of wood coated in plastic. The pins are set up in the shape of a triangle at the end of the lane. The ball is a large solid sphere with finger and thumb holes. Bowling balls come in different sizes and colors. You can choose one that is a good size for you, as some balls can be really heavy.
You can play this game on your own or on teams of up to 5 players. You then have to roll the ball towards the pins. If any of the pins are left standing, you need to roll again. You can only roll twice in one turn. Each pin that is knocked down is 1 point.
Well done!
If the ball knocks down all of the pins on the first roll, the player scores a strike. If all the pins are knocked down after the second roll, the player scores a spare. Strikes and spares earn extra points. Knocking down all 10 pins is not easy. Sometimes the first ball leaves 2 or more pins standing, with a wide space between them. This is called a split.
Well done!
Because the balls are quite heavy, little kids can use a special ball ramp. The ramp makes it easier to roll the ball. is the scoreboard. It's got the names of the players on it. The scoreboard helps us keep track of our scores while we play, so we know who is winning. After every roll, the ball comes back to you on a special return system. This saves us time and we don't have to go and get the ball every time we roll it. Bowling has been played since ancient times, and while bowling is fun for the whole family, it's especially beneficial for younger children, as it develops self-esteem, math skills, and social skills.
Yeah!
Have you ever played bowling?
Well done, Leo!
Oh, better luck next time, bud.